This method can help answer key questions in online processing of spoken language, including semantically complex sentences, such as disjunctions and conditionals. The main advantage of this technique is that it can be performed a wide range of populations to study most topics in areas of language processing. Demonstrating the procedure will be Xu Jing, a postgraduate student, Cao Yifan, Wang Meng, Yang Xiaotong, Zhang Min, and Zhou Xuehan, 5 undergraduate students from my research group.
To prepare the visual stimuli, download 60 copyright-free clip art images of animals from the internet and open the images in an appropriate image editor. Click Tools and use Quick Selection to select and delete the background from each image. Click Image and Image Size to resize the images to 120 by 120 pixels. And draw one big open 320 by 240 pixels box, one small closed 160 by 160 pixels box, and two small open 160 by 240 pixels boxes. Open a new file to create a 1024 by 768 pixels template for the first test image and drag the boxes to the indicated locations. Drag 2 clip art images into the big open box and one each of the same 2 images into the 2 small open boxes. Then create 59 more test images as just demonstrated, with each animal image being used twice per test image.